you've made a resolution, one of it is to start a business, and you have chosen Instagram to be the platform of the year. Well, you have come to the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 common mistakes that business owners make when they are trying to build a business on Instagram. I will also share with you what you can do instead so that your business thrives and continue to grow without hiccups. Ready? Let's go. Issue number 1 is thinking that you need an aesthetic looking business page. I remember when I first started posting on Instagram, I wanted my feed to look perfect. I wanted my feed to have this beautiful layout, and I was playing around with 3 different types of content because there were 3 columns, right? But because I was just starting out on Instagram, creating 3 different types of content is not ideal, especially if I don't have any design skills. Back then, I didn't have any template to work with. Everything was done from scratch. So I was really fixated about having 3 types of different content because I wanted a perfect feed. But that complicates all of my work process. When something is complicated, I dread creating content. I didn't like creating content. I just don't want to create content because it's hard. This is something that I don't want anyone else to experience because I've been through it and it's just not good. This is also why I always preach on my page, 15 Big Dreams, that creating content is fun, creating content is not stressful. In my case, creating 3 different types of content is stressful. So what can you do? Simplify the content creation and design process. You have a lot of ideas to share. I get it. I am like that too. It would be ideal to start with just 2 different types of content instead of 3. That way, you only need 2 types of design or template to start out with. If you are using Canva as your design tool, a tip I got from my business buddies is to get your brand font, brand colors, brand elements on the first page of your design so that you don't have to refer these brand guidelines from another page. Make sense? Yeah. I hope. This is so that it's easy and quicker for you to design your brand templates on Canva. And it also refrains you from moving away from your brand font and colors. Issue number 2, thinking every post must convert to a sale. Who says that you have to convert a follower to a customer in just 1 post? We all know that it takes around 7, 10, and others say 20 times or point of contact for your followers to actually buy from you one day. When you start a new account, it will take Instagram some days for them to understand what your account is about, what you do, and what you sell. So what I would suggest for you to do is to make sure that you optimize your bio. Starting from your business name, business bio, and the people that you are following. And if you need help on how to optimize your page, I have an complete Instagram checklist linked in my bio. Instagram has updated that they will be pushing out more original content, so it is wise for us to be intentional with every post that we create. And how you can do this is to have your unique content pillar. I usually tell my clients that there are 4 different types of content that they need to create, which is educational, inspirational, connection, and promotional. But that does not mean that you should stick to these 4 content pillars. You can have your own and your unique set of content pillars depending on your business. An example for my business, 15 Big Dreams, these are my content pillars. I share about Instagram content marketing, relationship building strategies, topics around mompreneurs, and I also sell workshops. This is something that you may need time to think and plan what is it that you want for your unique content pillars. Trust me that being intentional and sharing quality content is the way to succeed on Instagram. Issue number 3 is investing on paid software. This is something that I struggled when I first started building my business on Instagram. When you run a business, you will face with issues like unable to design a good poster, so you thought you need to invest on AI or Canva Pro. The free version is actually insufficient, really. Or you need an attractive looking website, so you look for the best website builder only to find out you don't have the budget. I have been through all that and I've lost money because of that, and I don't want you to do the same. So what can you do about it? Work with all the free version first. An example would be Canva for design, CapCut for video editing, Zap or Capsite for link in bio, and Google Survey because it's free. Try to work with all the free version first, and then you can level up as your pocket grows. That's it for today. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up so that I can create similar videos like this. See you in my next video.